Hey guys, welcome to our Salsa Shines tutorial 1. Let's begin. So our first step we're going to be covering is called our open back hook turn. So on the left foot, you're going to step back and together, and on the right, step back and together. On the left, we're going to step back and together, and on the right, we're going to hook, step and land. Okay, showing you again. On the left, we step back and together, and on the right, step back and together. On the left, back and together, and hook, turn and land. Okay, our second step is going to be called a spiral. So on the left, we're going to cross 2, 3, and on the right, kick 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you're going to shimmy your knees twice. So we're going to start with like a Suzy Q motion. Step in 1, 2, 3, kick on 4, step on 5, left step forward, slide together and shimmy your legs twice. Okay, so that's called a spiral. Now our left turn into our side together is our third step for today. So we're going to step forwards and together on the left, step on the right and stop. So we've come 3/4 of the way round. Okay, now on the left foot, we're going to step side together, basic on the left. Okay, for your 1. So on the left foot, we step forwards and together, 1, 2, 3, right, round and pause, and on the left, bringing in your shoulders, we're going to shimmy 2, 3 and step, step and shimmy, basic, 1, 2, 3. One more time with the count. 1, 2, 3, right foot, 5, 6, 7, step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, on our left foot, ocho varillas. So on the left, we're going to step 1, 2 and out. On 3, we're going to twist 5, 6, 7 on the balls of your feet and basic 2, 3. Showing you again on the left, forwards and to the side. Now staying on the balls of your feet, guys and girls. Okay, raising your heels off the ground. We're going to twist to the right for 5, back to the left for 6, and to the right for 7, and basic 2, 3. Now continuation, ocho varilla con fuerza. So with a turn on the left foot, we're going to step forwards and to the side, and then twist, twist, twist. Now on the left foot, we're going to step over and turn, and on the right, we're going to step back, forwards, and shimmy the knees again. Let's do that again. So on the left, 1, 2, 3, and twist, 5, 6, 7. Now we turn to the right, 2, 3, back on the right, 5, 6, and slide and shimmy, 1, 2, 3. And last but not least, a variation of spiral with a jump. So no shimmying of the knees this time. So we're going to cross 1, 2, 3, kick on 4, step on 5, forwards, together and jump. Basic 2, 3. And again on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. I'll do that one last time on the left. 1, 2, 3, kick 4, step, step, slide and jump. 1, 2, 3. And that ends our Shine class this week. Look forward to seeing you guys next week. Have a good week, guys.